Here are the 5 things you need to know about Camden's amazing 1289L rim strike. Number 1. The first surface mount preload rim strike in the market. Pressure on the keepers of the strike, known as preload, is the #1 reason that rim strikes fail to operate. Preload can be caused by differences in air pressure on each side of the door, a misaligned door, or simply someone pulling on the door from the outside before the strike is unlocked. Regardless of the cause, Camden's 1289L rim strike will operate where other strikes fail. Number 2. A patented new rim strike design. Camden's CX-EPD1289L rim strikes have a patented design that enables them to operate with up to 15 pounds of preload pressure. Let's put that to the test. Here is a competitive rim strike commonly used in the market. If we apply 15 pounds of pressure to the keepers of the strike and then activate a rec switch to unlock the door, the strike binds and will not unlock. If we do the same thing with Camden 1289L strike, the strike operates perfectly. Number 3. One universal model. Unlike competitive brands that force you to stock a range of rim strike models, Camden offers one universal rim strike that includes both security and fire ratings, field-configured latch monitoring, selectable fail-safe, fail-secure operation, and dual voltage. Number 4. Metal template included. Camden makes your rim strike installation a snap by including a metal marking template in the package. Number 5. Backed by Camden's no-hassle 5-year warranty. Like all Camden strikes, our new 1289L rim strike is backed by Camden's exclusive 5-year no-hassle product warranty. For more information about Camden's 1289L rim strike, call our customer service department or visit our website today.